We showed up hungry. Yes, this place is all about walking around and taking pictures. So I am not here to fight it. I am here for it. You should just see my map.
Welcome to Waypoint of View. We're Justin Miles and we're currently 2 years into our journey around the world. After a truly unforgettable road trip in Turkey, we have just made it to our next country.
Welcome to Morocco. So Morocco is a place that we have wanted to visit for years now. The food, the culture, the people, all of the amazing colors. We are so excited to be here, and we are starting things out in Chefchaouen, the famous Blue City.
It's called the Blue City because nearly everything is painted blue. The walls, the streets, the doors, everything. And it seems like the primary activity here is to walk through the Medina and take pictures of all the beautiful blue streets, which justifiably so, it is really unique and beautiful, but you can only do that for so long.
So we have signed up for a cooking class because, well, we love food, and for us, there really is no better introduction to a new culture than through the food.
First things first, we're going to be meeting at one of the markets to pick up some ingredients before we start cooking.
This is Youssef. We are going to be cooking in his home today, and we are starting here at the market to pick up some local ingredients.
We showed up hungry. Picking up some fish at the market.
I had to step back because these scales are flying everywhere.
The guys in this market are cleaning these fish so fast. I had to give it a try. They make it look so easy.
Yeah, you do it. I murdered them. You are slow, but you do it.
So we've got fish, we've got fruits and vegetables.
We're going to get bread and cheese.
4 different type of bread. Yes, all Berber bread, but the taste of this much better than this. So we'll buy one from this, okay?
And we're picking up goat cheese that you can only find here in Chefchaouen.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else in Morocco.
Let's go home.
All right, let's go home.
A market.
Yes.
It's good, yeah?
It's perfect.
Perfect.
To see
Yes.
what you will cook.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So the bottom of my dress got all wet in the fish market with fish liquid, and Youssef said that I'm gonna have cats following me all day.
You smell so nice.
Thank you. We gotta look the part.
That's the minimum, right?
So today we're going to be making a salad, a stone tagine, and a whole fish. And then we are going to have a dessert with pomegranate.
Youssef said originally we were going to do the fish tagine and a chicken tagine, but he saw the whole fish in the market. He said that doesn't usually get to see that fish, so that's what we're making. And I'm really excited.
So tagine is a very popular dish here in Morocco, but there can be all kinds of tagines. The name actually is the clay pot that it is cooked in. So you can have chicken tagine, fish, lamb, beef, vegetable, all the tagines.
Since I did such a great job of cleaning the stone, I get to do the stone tagine.
Youssef told us that stone tagine is usually made with tomatoes, but we're going to be making it with tomatoes and sweet potatoes today.
First 2 layers of the tagine are down, now it's time for the fish. So we have ginger, cumin, salt, red pepper, and za'atar.
Yeah.
I never use this much spice when I cook.
That's what we're doing wrong, clearly.
This looks delicious. This is for presentation right here. Like this?
Yes. Now you have fish tagine.
Voila.
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 Great job.
I'm pretty proud of that.
You should be.
I had a lot of help.
It's my turn.
It's your job.
It's time for the whole fish.
I think I gave you the harder job.
I don't know, yours was very involved. I have never handled a whole fish before.
You're doing a great job.
Is that okay?
Yeah, great. It's not just okay, it's a great.
I didn't get a great when I was making the tagine.
Alright.
We're very competitive cooks.
A little bit salt.
A little salt.
Yeah, like that.
Alright, I gotta get all this stuff packed into the fish.
What was it you said earlier? You've never handled a whole fish?
Yeah. We're putting 2 pieces of garlic and 1 piece of ginger in every one of these. We have added almonds and raisins to the rest of the sauce here. I'm gonna stuff this on the inside of the fish.
Garnishing with shrimp.
The fish is in the oven.
We each got to try our hand at a dish, and now it's time to make a salad.
Yeah!
The salad is simple to make, but it really helps to have all of these fresh ingredients.
America, what are you doing with your tomatoes?
While Jess has been finishing the salad, the stone Tagine is nearly finished. He just took the lid off to let the sauce reduce down.
Like that?
Yes.
This kitchen smells amazing. All right, it's time to eat.
Look at this. This all looks so amazing.
I hope you're hungry.
I am.
You are with Moroccan, you will eat as Moroccan people.
Of course.
We eat by fingers, like this. You are Moroccan. Oh,
Oh wow. Oh, so good.
like that?
Mm-hmm. Very much.
The tagine is good, but now it's time to try the whole fish. I don't know which one I like better. I'm a little partial to the tagine because that's the one that I made, but this is so tender and it has so much flavor. Jess, you took so much care to get that flavor into each one of those slits.
2 pieces of garlic, 1 piece of ginger per opening.
I can taste those 2 pieces of garlic.
Wow.
More high, I mean you win. Oh,
That's as
that's
as high as I can get.
I think I came in last place. That really was something special. What a way to kick things off here in Morocco.
We honestly had really high expectations for the food here in Morocco, but I'm pretty worried that Youssef just spoiled us.
And he and his wife were so amazing. It honestly just felt like we were having a meal with friends. But after all of that food, we need to walk things off a little bit. We're going to explore more of the Blue City tomorrow, but for now we're heading up above town to the Spanish Mosque for sunset.
Everyone we've passed here in this town has been unbelievably friendly.
Oh, they're all so great. We heard really, really good things about Chefchaouen so far.
Yeah.
It's all proving to be true. Good morning. So our original plan for today was to wake up early, wander around the streets of the Medina, but when we got up, it was raining. So we went back to sleep, and now it's 10 o'clock.
This place is perfect.
We love our place. This room cost us $30 a night, including breakfast.
It's time for breakfast.
And it's time for breakfast. This is such a great breakfast spread. We have fried eggs, olives, bread, jams, yogurt, fresh orange juice, and an entire pot of coffee. And check out my most favorite thing. These little mini tagines. How adorable is this? I love this so much. I want these at home.
And don't worry, we also have a kettle in our room, so we've already had 2 cups of coffee. The sun is out, and so are we.
It's about 12 o'clock, and we really don't have much of an agenda for the day, so we are just going to wander around.
And by wander around, she means I have no less than 12 saved locations inside Chefchaouen that are perfect for photos.
Miles has put his Instagram boyfriend pants on today. If you've watched any of our other videos, you'll know that we're not all about just going to a place to take a picture. Miles especially is not a fan of chasing a photo. But I'm really proud of him. He's really leaning into all of this. So we're here. It's what you do here.
Yeah.
And we're in it.
Yeah, last night I decided that yes, this place is all about walking around and taking pictures. So I'm not here to fight it today. I am not here to fight it. I am here for it. You should just see my map. In order to get to this first spot, first you have to take a right out of your place, go up the hill, take your second left after your third blue door,
Past 7 cats.
pass no less than 7 cats, turn right, and you'll find it. There's lattices, there's doors, there's blue stairs.
Blue walls.
Did you get it? Let me show my good side. All right, that's enough making fun. She's so friendly.
Popped right up there, huh? So we've been wandering around for about an hour and a half now, and I know we joked about all the photo spots, but in all seriousness, this has to be one of the most picturesque places that we have ever been.
And there are a lot of competing theories as to how this place became the Blue City. And Yusuf was explaining to us yesterday that back in the late 1400s, Spain expelled all of the Jewish and Muslim people, and a lot of them came here to settle. And the Jewish people brought with them a tradition of painting some of the houses blue. But Yusuf actually showed us a picture of Chefchaouen in 1987, and very few, if any, of the houses were actually blue. And he told us that in the early 90s, somebody painted their house and their stairs and their potted plants blue, and it became a competition to see who could have the prettiest blue house in town. And the next thing you know, you have a blue city. Then you throw in Instagram, and Chefchaouen is now one of the most popular places to visit in all of Morocco.
And while this place is touristy, there's no denying that,
No.
It's still a very real place where real people live.
We've been to a lot of really picturesque towns, and some of them end up getting completely taken over by tourism, and there's very few, if anyone, left that actually grew up in the town. And that does not seem like the case here in Chefchaouen, at least not yet.
And the locals are so friendly. Everybody has been so nice.
All this picture taking's got me hungry.
We're actually heading to lunch, but get a snack.
Can't beat this for one dirham.
I like.
Still warm. Fresh out of the oven. Since lunch took 5 hours yesterday, we're just doing some bean soup today to be a lot quicker because we still have a lot more to see. Don't have time for tagines and tea and all of that. There's at least 3 more photo spots to see. So, bean soup on the go.
It's been a very full day so far, so we're gonna take a break and get some tea.
Some mint tea.
Yes.
I'm glad you said just a little bit of sugar.
It's still very sweet.
What are you talking about? There has to be at least a half a pound of sugar in these 2 teas. Okay, so this next place that we're going is photo spot number 5 on our tour.
By number 5, we have seen far more than 5 photo spots, but this was number 5 on our list. But it's really probably what in reality? Number 12?
Probably number 75.
I said 12, Miles said 75. Hold on, I want to go film these flowers.
I'd like to pretend like I'm a guide, taking you through the city like we saw one yesterday. He did exactly this. You'll see this door? You should take a picture of this door. Do you see this door? You should take a picture of this door. Do you see this door? It's a very pretty door. You should take a picture of this door. Come on.
I think we have found the bluest street in all of Chefchaouen right here.
True story. The walls crackle when you touch them. There's so many layers of paint.
Somehow, It's 5:30.
I can tell you how. We have 3 full SD cards, that's how.
We got all the pictures today. But it's time to go find a spot for sunset. And by find a spot, I think we're going back to the same spot as last night.
It really has been a fun day.
It has. It really, really has.
I don't think I've ever spent an entire day taking photos. Haha! Say hi! I'm supposed to be routing us back to our place, but we're walking so fast, I'm sure we're already going the wrong way.
Just to see, not for buy.
Maybe later.
Welcome, don't forget.
Thank you. Okay, so definitely be prepared to get lost while you're here.
You can only get lost if you have a place where you're trying to go,
That's true.
which you don't really need here. You just wander.
Yeah, just aimlessly wander. You'll see all the blue streets you want to see.
All the doors, all the cats, all the treats, all the streets. I have no idea where we're going, by the way. This way.
Thoughts on Chefchaouen?
It's a beautiful blue city. Very picturesque. Very nice people. It's been a great day. Yusuf told us to just take a bite out of the pepper on top of the tagine, and it would make it spicy. It's spicy.
The cheese.
Yeah, the cheese will help. Okay, so there was a blog post, and a girl talked about a spot with 3 doors. I have for you right here 8 doors.
For the low price of free.
Of a thumbs up. Hey, little kitty.
Behind door number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doors.